The Tiger and the Donkey. In a dense green forest where the sunlight barely peeked through the trees, lived a tiger named Rajan and a donkey named Bala. Rajan was the king of the forest, strong and majestic. Bala was humble and hard-working, often underestimated by the other animals. One hot summer day, Bala found a lush patch of grass near a small stream. He began to graze happily. Rajan, searching for a cool drink, noticed Bala and approached him. "Good day, Bala," Rajan greeted with a deep rumbling voice. Bala looked up, a little startled. "Good day, Rajan. How can I help you?" he replied. "I was hoping for some company," Rajan said gently. "It gets lonely being the king sometimes." Bala nodded. "It must be a heavy burden to bear." They talked for a long time. Rajan shared tales of his adventures, and Bala listened, offering wisdom from his own experiences. Despite their differences, they found common ground in their love for the forest. Days turned into weeks, and Rajan and Bala became good friends. They explored the forest, shared stories, and enjoyed each other's company. Rajan admired Bala's quiet strength, and Bala appreciated Rajan's courage. One day, a severe drought hit the forest. Water sources dried up, and food became scarce. The animals grew anxious. Rajan called a meeting. "We must find a solution," he declared. "We cannot let our home wither away." Bala stepped forward. "I have an idea," he said. "There is an ancient well deep in the forest. It is said to have never run dry. Perhaps we can find water there." The animals were skeptical but hopeful. Rajan, trusting his friend, agreed. "Let us go, Bala. Lead the way." With Bala at the front and Rajan by his side, the animals embarked on a journey through the dense forest. They faced many obstacles, but Rajan's strength and Bala's perseverance kept them going. After days of travel, they reached the ancient well. It was full of fresh, clear water. The animals rejoiced. They took turns drinking, grateful for the water that would see them through the drought. Rajan turned to Bala. "You have saved us all, my friend. Your wisdom and kindness are truly remarkable." Bala bowed his head modestly. "We did it together, Rajan. The strength of the forest lies in its unity." From that day on, Rajan and Bala's friendship became a symbol of harmony in the forest. They continued to lead and support each other, proving that even the most unlikely friendships could make a powerful difference. And so, under the shade of the ancient trees, the tiger and the donkey thrived, their story becoming a legend passed down through generations. The end. Moral of the story: strength lies in unity and understanding. Even the most unlikely friends can achieve great things together.